today we are doing, we're gonna close our eyes. We're going to add, we got peach soap today, mango soap today, and we got oil. That's my friend. Hi! That's activated.
My mom's gonna kill me when she finds out that I'm in YouTube.
Okay, then we have lotion, and now we are going to start doing it, but we're gonna close our eyes. If we cheat, Lindsay, I'm not posting it because I have to edit it.
Oh gosh, sure.
You literally just said that on camera.
Sorry guys.
And there's 3-year-olds on this channel. If you guys are on this channel and you're 3 below or you're 5 below, you gotta leave. But still be subscribed.
Still subscribe. Snap.
But don't just watch this video.
Don't watch this video if you're 3-year-old.
Lindsay! Okay, so today we all have to close our eyes.
Wait,
and we have to
put these paints here.
Yeah. Look at that. Okay, I'll close my eyes. I think I wanna. Oh, we're gonna put them in front. We're gonna try to do twin telepathy, but we're not looking at each other.
Wait, Jamie, should we get a barrier? Let's get. Wait, no, that sounds.
It's fine. We don't look at each other. We'll just put this right there. Okay, so today I am going to pick, and Lindsay can't turn your head. She's turning and she's not looking at me. I am going to pick. Let me just add it. I smell it. Okay. Your turn. I'm not gonna mix it. I'm just moving it over. Not looking.
Okay.
What did you add?
What did you add?
I added this.
I added lotion.
No, we picked different things.
I heard pumping, and I heard smell of lotion, and I'm like, oh, I'm not even in the camera.
She's not even in the camera. You're making me laugh.
By the way, guys, do not subscribe to whatever Alexis doing whatever with Alexis.
Yeah, don't.
She is a criminal.
She's mean.
Cool. She's spoiled.
Doing whatever with Alexis.
Do not subscribe.
Do not. She's up to 19 already.
19 subs. How much do you have, by the way?
23.
23? Yeah. That's how spoiled she is.
Okay, ready? Oh, it's my turn.
Now I pick something first.
Okay.
Now it's time for the colors.
No! You gotta add. Oh, just take away. Okay, go.
Take away the lotion. No, the soap. Take away the soap.
No, but you didn't use that soap. You didn't use the soap. But
Okay,
you take
close
away.
your eyes. Play with my other phone.
Are you done?
No.
You're quiet. I hear metal. I'm not looking, guys. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so take away this and the lotion. You turn your head. I'm going to add this. I gotta put it in. I like adding a lot of this.
Wait, next are we doing the colors?
We have to do
Pretty colors though.
yeah, no, we have to pick anything out.
Yeah, with our eyes closed.
I'm gonna just pick this. Okay, I'm done. What did you add?
I added the middle thing.
That? Yeah. Me too!
I knew it. I knew you did because I looked for a second and then I saw it.
I wasn't actually looking at you. I heard the metal.
And I like
Yeah.
the ding 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 thing.
Okay. So guys, this stuff right here helps it like.
Smell good.
Okay. So Lindsay, what else didn't add?
I did not add the soap.
I did not add the lotion, so I'm gonna add the lotion. But we only got one. Good. So maybe we are going to... Oh, you have to wait until the other person's done
Yeah.
with the stuff. Sure.
By the way, my mom hates slime, so yeah.
Sorry, Holly.
Sorry, Holly, if you even watch YouTube. By the way, Holly's my mom playing, so my mom's dad named Josh. He probably just sits, hides his face, then watches. Wait, what's your YouTube channel called, David?
My name is David.
No. What is your YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name is You Perfect Golden.
My dad probably like hiding his phone and watching You Perfect You Golden. Is that what it's called?
You Perfect Golden.
You Perfect Golden.
Okay, so now we're going to add the colors. Wait, we gotta see. We're gonna put this in the middle, and we're going to add the oil because some people like adding this.
I already added that.
I know, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I am going to cover your eyes.
And you're picking out a color.
I'm not picking out a color. I'm picking out the activator or lotion.
Right.
Even though we use lotion already, it's still good to add extra. Almost. Okay, done.
This activator ruin
No, it doesn't. Oh, you're using. Guys, I'm not looking at her. I'm looking at the camera. No, I don't. I'm actually looking at the top.
You said, oh yeah, and then you stopped.
Sorry.
Peeker, peeker.
Okay, so I added activator.
Wait,
I added activator too. I know it's
I didn't slime all over the place. Wait, now it's my turn. And we pick colors now.
So we use paintbrushes. I want this. Okay.
Hey, I was gonna pick that one. Oh well, I'll pick this one. Okay, now close your eyes.
Oh,
Shut it.
yeah. Okay.
Shut it.
I'm shutting my eyes.
What is that?
I know it. Are you done?
No.
Wait, you're supposed to be covering your eyes. No peeking.
I didn't peek. I was like this.
Okay, do it. I'm not looking. Okay,
Face
so
that side. I was facing that. Face to the couch, okay?
I see you trying to pee.
No, it's called.
Oh, you picked that one.
No.
Okay, fine. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No, you don't close your eyes. Oh my gosh, Jamie.
Fine, just turn away then, because you can't look and see what your color is. Don't see what your color is. Okay, now my turn.
Wait, let me just put this on. I see you peeking.
You can't open your eyes.
No, you have to pick it.
Yeah! Woo! Oh, I don't like blue though. No, I don't think I'll make it into like a prince.
I'll pick
Okay, so I only add a little. Guys, watch how satisfying that looks. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it. No, I'm gonna put it right here.
Then just me in the background looking like I'm painting the floor.
So I'm only adding cardboard space. And we didn't pick.
Donkey!
It was kind of like twin telepathy, but not really.
Not anymore.
Because there was a lot of colors to choose from, and we possibly couldn't choose the same colors.
Except for the gross colors, we were not. She was like really ugly.
Okay, so that's how mine turned out.
I did white. I picked the color white.
And make it snowball.
Snowball fight!
This is mine.
Snowball fight!
Throw it to the camera. Oh my gosh, Lindsay, you're ruining my camera.
Cat and sun.
No, I got pig slime in it.
No, Jamie, can you please post this video?
I will. I promise I will. The other video that I posted was I didn't post it.
You didn't. You are so cruel.
Guys. Oh my gosh.
I saw that bubble.
I know. Guys, I'm going.
This looks like your hoodie that you have.
Can you hold the camera up, like facing? Guys, I'm just going. Okay. Lindsay, you have to face it out the slime. Like over it. Oh no! I got 60 pants. Oh no! Okay. Okay. Put it closer. Right there. That's my slime, guys. Now let's show you Lindsay's. Down.
Ooh.
Poke it.
I paint all over my hands. Wait. It sticks to myself.
Yeah, it's sticking. She needs to add water or soap. Your slime feels cool.
Sticking to the inside of my fingers. Jamie, but hey, you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's mine, by the way.
Now look. Time to pick the next color. Now put it back.
Okay, guys. So I'm back.
Now
Guess
I'm
who's
gonna
back?
choose my color.
Back again. I am going to like. Hi!
Wait, let me see that.
No, you caught it, Lindsay.
Yes.
It's on your hands.
Okay.
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 Okay, guys, that would be the end of the video.
No. Jamie, no.
But it can shut off automatically if I make it too long.
Oh.
So, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you like it.
I look so ugly when I said
She's crazy. So, don't mind her. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and give it a thumbs up.
How strong are you?
Give it Lindsay! Guys, everyone sees that, right? Lindsay literally is pink. Not on your lips is poisonous. Ah! I literally tell you.
Frosty the Snowman.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Taste it. I taste it. I think I got it in your hair. Wait, I'm gonna put a like button on my forehead.
She's crazy, painting herself. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. That is paint
Bye.
on my face. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like.
There's a less camera on me. Hi, get your face painting at notjamie.com.
Okay,
No,
this
no,
is not sponsored by anything. Thank you for watching.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.